Now, the first thing I want to show you here is how to set up a new email address, because I highly recommend that you should do. If you are going to be conducting business online, then definitely you want to keep your business emails and communications separate from your personal ones. That makes sense, doesn't it? Now, the best way to do this, I would say, would be through Google. There we go, Google. I'm sure you're acquainted with Google, you've heard of it before, and of course the excellent Google Mail that they provide as well. There are various other providers as well, of course, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail. They're all good. The reason I suggest Google is that their spam filters are not quite as fierce as, say, Yahoo and Hotmail. They tend to put just about everything in your junk and bulk accounts, so sometimes you could miss out on some important emails coming through to your inbox. So that is why I would suggest that Google Mail is a good idea. How do you get Google Mail? This is very, very easy, very, very quick to show you. Go to google.com, and then if you just type in Gmail, there's various ways to get to this particular page, but this will do. Go to Gmail, there it is. First link there, of course. Email from Google. Click on that, and you will come to this page. Welcome to Google Mail. And down here, it says sign up for Google Mail. In the future, of course, you would sign in here with your username and password. That's once you do sign up. But right now, you want to sign up for Google Mail. So let's click there. Okay, getting started with Google Mail, creating an account. So you would put your first name in here. This is all fairly self-explanatory, to be honest. First name in here, last name, so that could be, you know, John Smith, whatever. And as they see here, your login name, which could be john.smith@googlemail.com, whatever it happens to be. Let's do something just now. I'll tell you what we'll do. Just for the sake of it, we will set one up. We'll set one up that we'll use for logging into pay.com and the like. So we shall create a name. We shall go for well, since we're talking about John Smith, that'll do just fine. John Smith. Here we go. Hello, John Smith. How are you, fella? And desired login name. So you could do something like JS for John Smith and my data team, as that is what we are talking about at the moment. So check availability. It's there. So John Smith, my data team, is available. You, of course, can have whatever you like here. Whatever you like, just as long as it is, remember, your business account only. Don't use this for any personal emails. Choose a password. Okay, you could choose whatever you like here. There we go. That'll do for me. Minimum of 8 characters. And oh, we've got a strong password there. I'm delighted to hear it. Now re-enter it. Okay. Remember me on this computer? No, thank you. You get that. Probably is a good idea for you. It's just that I do have other Google Mail accounts, so it's not the best idea for me to remember this one, since this is a making up one. So you would probably want to have that ticked. Definitely, I won't. Okay, enable web history. Again, that is entirely up to yourself. Creating a Google account will enable web history. It's a feature that will provide you with a more personalized experience on Google. To be honest, unclick it. It's unlikely you're going to need that kind of thing. Security question, okay, whatever it is, your first teacher's name, your first phone number, or write your own question. Okay, so well, that's a good thing. What program am I signed up to? And of course, we are talking about my data team. There we go. That makes perfect. So that, again, that can be anything. Mother's maiden name, favourite sports team, whatever it happens to be. Put your answer in there, and your secondary email. This will be an email address that you would use, the email address you already use, basically. So that would be put in there. Location, wherever you are in the world, that makes sense. And then, of course, you will have to fill out this word verification. All that there, T-O-N-E. These things, sometimes I have to admit, I'm not that lucky with them, but we'll give this one a go. That looks fairly straightforward. All you do, as it says there, is type in the characters you see in this picture below. Okay, so that's T-O-N-E-S-T. Can you tell it? We're specs. R-A-N. That looks good, doesn't it? I'm sure that'll be right. And then basically you just have to go through accept. Once you accept and click this button here, create my account, you're basically saying that you accept the terms of service as well. Okay, so that's all you need to do to create your account. I'm going to stick my email in here. And then I shall just pause this video and I shall be back with you on the next page. Here we are then. This is the next page you get to once you accept and once you click create my account. Introduction to Gmail. Now you can read through this if you want. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up. So I'll leave you to do all that. It just basically tells you how to get into your Gmail account. There you go, mail.google.com and various features, but to be honest, this is what you want to get to. Show me my account. There we go. Fantastic. John Smith, my data team member, wonderful. And there he is, jsmydatateam@googlemail.com, and you have a brand new business email address. Remember, that can be absolutely anything at all that you want. Just make sure you keep it for business purposes. It's all self-explanatory, Google. There you go. Click on the link if you want to read your email, and click back on inbox when you want to get back. And it's like I say, it's all self-explanatory. Have fun checking it out, and you now have your business email address.